Hello, good day. I am C.R. Prakash Rao from Global Academy of Technology, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today's session, let us discuss on transducers. Content of video lecture consists of introduction to transducers, active transducers and passive transducers, primary transducers and secondary transducers, mechanical transducers and electrical transducers. What is transducer? A transducer is a device that converts energy from one form to another. Transducers are often employed at the boundaries of automation, measurement, and control systems where electrical signals are converted to and from other physical quantities. From the schematic diagram, it is clear that in the transducer, one form of energy is converted into another form of energy. Introduction to transducers. In any measurement system, the quantity to be measured makes its first contact with the measuring system through a detector or sensor. The measurement quantity is then transduced or converted into analogous form by a transducer. Thus, a transducer is a device which transforms one form of energy into another form. The signal is converted into a form such that it is acceptable for further processing by the subsequent stages of measuring system. The process of converting one form of energy into another form is known as transduction. The transducers that convert physical quantities into mechanical quantities are termed as mechanical transducers, and the transducers which convert physical quantities into electrical quantities are known as electrical transducers. Active transducers. Now let us discuss about active transducers. An active transducer has an auxiliary source of power which supplies a major part of the output power, while the input signal supplies only an insignificant portion. In other words, active transducers are self-powered transducers. Active transducers are of a self-generating type, wherein they develop their own voltage or current output. They do not require any auxiliary power source to produce the output. The energy required to produce the output is derived from the physical quantity being measured. Example of active transducers are electronic amplifiers, piezoelectric transducer, and a thermocouple are all active transducers. A thermocouple is shown in the diagram. Even a strain gauge is also an active transducer, in which strain is converted into resistance. However, the energy from the strained element is very small, hence this requires external power supply. Passive transducer. The passive transducers derive the required power for transduction from an auxiliary source of power. A part of the required power for generating the output is derived from the physical quantity being measured. Since they receive power from an auxiliary source, they are termed as externally powered transducers. Further, these transducers remain passive in the absence of an external power source. Hence, they are called passive transducers. In the diagram, a microphone which is shown requires external power source to function. Resistive, capacitive, and inductive transducers are some of the examples of passive transducers. primary transducer. The mechanical device which converts the physical quantity to be measured into a mechanical signal. Such mechanical device is known as primary transducer. Here the sensing element may serve to transduce the sensed input and convert into a more convenient form. In the diagram of pressure gauge, the Bourdon tube is a detector or primary transducer. In the photograph of Bourdon tube pressure gauge, Bourdon tube is a primary transducer. Similarly, if you consider dial test indicator, the plunger or spindle acts as detector or primary transducer. Secondary transducer. The secondary transducer converts the mechanical signal into electrical signal or otherwise amplifies the input signal as required. The magnitude of the output signal depends on the input of mechanical signal. Example: the link, sector gear and pinion acts as secondary transducer, and the purpose of secondary transducer is as an amplifier to give the magnified output. In the photograph, we can observe that gearing, link and pinion are the secondary transducers. In the photograph, the link, the sector gear and pinion acts as secondary transducers. The secondary transducer which converts the output of primary transducer into electrical output is known as secondary transducer. Mechanical transducers. Mechanical transducer are those which respond to changes in physical quantities or condition with mechanical quantity. The mechanical transducers are the mechanical elements that are used for converting one form of energy into another form that can be measured easily. The mechanical elements commonly used to convert the applied force into displacement or elastic members. There are many types of elastic members. They are direct tension or compression, bending and torsion. The mechanical transducers are a set of primary sensing elements that responds to changes in physical quantity with a mechanical output. As an example, a bimetallic strip is a mechanical transducer which reacts to the changes in temperature and responds with mechanical displacement. Another example for mechanical transducer is bellows. The bellows are the elastic elements that converts the air pressure into displacement, and it is commonly used for the measurement of pressure. Electrical transducer. The electrical transducer is a device which converts the non-electrical quantity to an electrical quantity which is proportional to the input quantity. For example, sliding contact device is a resistance type of transducer which converts a mechanical displacement into an electrical signal in the form of voltage or current. The resistance thermometer or resistance temperature detector, which is generally known as RTD, uses the resistance of electrically conductive material for measuring the temperature. The main function of the resistance temperature detector is to give a positive change in resistance with respect to temperature. The resistance thermometer also reacts to changes in temperature, but the response is a change in resistance of the element. Hence it is an electrical transducer. The resistance temperature detector is shown in the diagram. Thanks for watching the video lecture session. Thank you.